Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up for Discord. So if this sounds helpful, then keep watching the video till the end and subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for more future videos. Now to sign up for Discord, you need to enter the website of Discord, which is discord.com. And then from here you can go to the login option. If you already have an account, you can log in by filling in this information. But to create a new account, you can click on register. Now start by typing in your email address, then create your username and then create a password. Also select your date of birth. You can check this box if you want to receive updates of Discord in your email address. If not, then uncheck this and then click on continue. Verify that you're not a robot. And just like that, you have been signed up for Discord. So I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up and we'll be back soon with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.